It is so important for the leaders to be able to think critically and derive right conclusions, with facts and figures. Many a times I myself has experienced that in the past, in decision making, we end up getting into conclusion quite fast with past experiences, and at times with influence from cognitive biases, which is why recently when I was going through Harvard program, there was a syllabus called critical thinking, and a particular topic called Ladder of Inference seemed to be helping me a lot in terms of decision making and to come out with better conclusions.
I'm going to be talking about inference. The ladder of inference, which has 4 steps. Step 1 is when you collect certain data. Step 2 is when you make an interpretation. Step 3 is when you actually come to a conclusion. And step 4 is when you take the necessary action. So inference is basically when you observe something and you come to a conclusion. Somebody banged the door and you observed that and you came to a conclusion that that person is upset. How I've fallen prey to it. I have spoken to multiple customers, and without enough data, facts and figures, I sometimes, have made certain interpretations that, okay, maybe this customer will not buy it. And then, of course, I've made a conclusion that, okay, this lead is surely going as a lost. And then I have the action that I take is, okay, let me move on to the next one because let me put this as lost. Now, how I can avoid it is to have conclusive evidence in order to ensure that the decision that you're going to take, you're not going to regret it. So have conclusive evidence. How I can avoid it in this case? Maybe I can probe a lot. Maybe I can give that little bit of time. Of course, create urgencies, but you give that little bit of time to the customers to ensure that you have enough data, facts and figures to make a conclusive evidence that, okay, this customer might convert and this customer may not convert. And that is what inference is all about. So Harvard has surely taught me how to make better decisions in life.